In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete multiple contacts in AOL Mail. If you have an overflowing contact list on AOL Mail, then cleaning it up is an easier process. So watch the video till the end and follow the steps in order to learn the process of deleting multiple contacts from your AOL Mail account. First of all, make sure to open up your AOL Mail application on your mobile devices or simply open up your AOL Mail account on a web browser and sign in. Once you're signed into your account, go to the left hand side of the screen and click on the AOL logo at the top left. Now, click on the Contacts button on the left hand side menu. This will display your entire contact list. Next, select the contact you'd like to delete. You can make an individual selection by simply pressing on the contact and then click on their name at the top. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Delete in the pop-up at the bottom to delete a particular contact. To confirm your deletion, click on OK in the pop-up. And doing this will delete an individual contact from AOL Mail account. You cannot bulk delete contacts from your mobile application, so you will need to select an individual contact and delete them from the AOL Mail application for your mobile device. That is how you can easily delete contacts on AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.